Hey guys, this is Nandan and today we are going to discuss probability for DCET 2022. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And you can download our app Diploma Pro 2022 for more news related to diploma, where you can find videos and study materials. So let's get started. Before diving into probability, you should know some basic terminologies, that is sample space. Sample space. Set of all possible outcomes is called sample space. For example, if you toss a coin, the possible outcomes will be either it will be head or tail. So this is sample space. Now we will understand event. Event. The possible outcome of a random experiment is called event. For example, if you toss a coin, the probability of getting head is 1. If you toss a coin, you will get either head or tail. So the probability of getting a head is h, that is 1. Therefore number of event is equals to 1 and number of sample space is equals to 2. Now let's solve some examples based on probability. So the first example is probability of throwing 8 with a single dice. So if you throw a dice, you will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Therefore this will be n of s is equals to 6. Because there are total 6 possible outcomes. Now probability of throwing 8 with a dice is, so if you throw a dice, there will not be 8 on a dice. Therefore, A is equals to 0. Therefore, probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space. That is 0 divided by 6. Therefore, this will be 0. So here they did not mention the option, therefore we'll mark it as none. Now let's solve one more example based on probability. When two events are not mutually exclusive, P of A or B is. So this is a direct question. Here you have to just mark the correct formula based on this. So here they did not mention the option. So I'll give you the correct answer. P of A or B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So this is the correct formula for not mutually exclusive. This is the direct question. You can mark and get 1 mark. Let's go to a next question. Probability ranges from 0 to 1. This is also a direct question. You can just mark 0 to 1 and you will get 1 mark. 0 to 1. Now we'll solve this. If a card is drawn from a pack of cards, the probability of getting either a king or a queen is. So our sample space will be, there will be total 52 cards in a pack. Therefore probability of getting a king or queen, there will be 4 kings and 4 queens in total 52 cards. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Therefore A is equals to 8. Therefore the probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space. That is 8 divided by 52. If you further simplify this, you will get 4 2s are 4 1 3. 2 divided by 13. Now we'll solve this. The probability of getting an even number when a die is tossed. Okay. If you toss a die, you will get sample space as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, number of sample space will be 6. And probability of getting even number. 1 to 6 even numbers will be 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, number of events is equals to 3. Now the probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space is equals to 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. Let's move on to the next question. The probability of drawing a spade from a pack of cards is. So there will be total 13 spade cards in a 52 pack of cards. So there will be total will be 52 and spade will be 13. Therefore probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space, that is 13 divided by 52. This will be the and 4 the 1 divided by 4 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. This is a direct question. If an outcome of an event doesn't affect another event, then the two events are independent. Independent. This is a simple definition, you can remember this. Next question is, in a box of 6 green and 4 red balls, the probability of drawing a red ball is. So there will be 6 green balls and there are 4 red balls. Total will be 10. So number of sample space is 10 and the probability of drawing a red ball is. Therefore number of events, red balls are 4. So probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space, that is 4 divided by 10. If you divide 4 with 10, you will get 0.4. So 0.4 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting a head and a tail? So if you toss 2 coins simultaneously, you will get sample space as both will be head or both will be tail, or one will be head, one will be tail, or one will be tail, one will be head. So number of sample space is equals to 4. The probability of getting a head and a tail. Here sequence matters, therefore the events will be head and tail. Therefore number of events is equals to 1. Then probability will be number of events divided by number of sample space. This will be 1 divided by 4. Let's move on to the next question. What is the probability of getting a queen in a draw from a pack of 52 cards? Number of sample space is equals to 52 because there will be total 52 cards, and event. Number of events is equals to, there will be total 4 queens in a pack of 52 cards, therefore 4. Then probability is equals to number of events divided by number of sample space, that is 4 divided by 52. If you simplify this, you will get 1 is 13, 1 divided by 13. So 1 divided by 13 is the answer. Now we will solve the last problem in this topic. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of getting both head. The sample space will be, if you toss 2 coins simultaneously, you will get both head or both tail, 1 head, 1 tail, or 1 tail, 1 head. So number of sample space is equals to 4. and now the event, the probability of getting both head is HH, number of events is equals to 1. Therefore probability is equals to number of events divided by number of sample space, that is 1 divided by 4. So this is our Diploma Pro 2022 app. Link is in the description. The app has quiz feature for DCET preparation, and it also has syllabus copies and previous year question papers for your reference. Do check out. Thank you. So with this, I have covered the whole probability. You can score up to 1 mark from this topic. In the next video, we will be covering vectors. So subscribe and press the bell icon.